Many people have mixed feelings about money and its impact, yet it is undeniable that money is crucial because it allows us to improve our quality of life. Money provides us with the means to enjoy better experiences throughout our lives. Thus, it is important to maintain a balanced perspective on money. Viewing money positively can lead to a comfortable lifestyle and opportunities to help others, which in turn can enhance our ability to attract more financial resources. In many ways, a stable and abundant financial condition mirrors our inner growth, and personal development is often key to achieving financial prosperity. Furthermore, it is important to recognize that, like other forms of energy, financial abundance can be predicted. The energy of abundance can be sensed even before it fully enters our lives. Based on the teachings of Dolores Cannon, we are encouraged to identify signs that suggest financial prosperity is on the horizon. It is vital to be observant, as these signs might indicate upcoming positive changes in your financial status that you may not yet notice. Sign 1. We change our mindset regarding money. It is common to experience a shift in how we view money when we are about to encounter significant financial changes. This shift in perspective aligns with the energies of abundance and prosperity. If you find that your current views on money are vastly different from your previous ones, there is no need for concern. This transformation is a normal part of moving towards a new financial phase. The way money manifests in our lives is largely, if not entirely, dependent on our attitude towards it. Our external realities are shaped by our internal states. Economic constraints are often rooted in financial beliefs that have been handed down across generations, leading people to accept these beliefs as normal or correct. It is surprisingly common for people to believe that money is hard to access, and this view is widely accepted. As we internalize and reinforce this belief, it influences how money flows in our lives. If we perceive money as difficult to obtain, our experiences will likely reflect this, making it challenging to achieve financial prosperity. Sign 2. New and unexpected opportunities arise. Often, the emergence of new and unexpected opportunities can signal that financial abundance is becoming a reality in our lives. These opportunities might present themselves as job offers, business proposals, or unforeseen financial benefits. They seem to arise suddenly, but are the result of our alignment with abundance energies. Being in harmony with these energies attracts circumstances and individuals who facilitate our progress towards our goals. These opportunities are not merely coincidental. They are connected to our aspirations and objectives. These situations provide the resources to broaden our financial scope and increase our wealth. It is crucial to remain open to these opportunities, even if they appear in unanticipated forms. Recognizing and seizing these chances can greatly expedite our journey to financial prosperity. They often bring necessary resources and support for our success. Additionally, they can introduce us to new networks and connections, further improving our financial opportunities. A continual arrival of such positive opportunities indicates that we are on the correct path, and the universe supports our pursuit of greater wealth and prosperity. Sign 3. We start worrying less about money. While concern for money is often seen as a sign of responsibility, in specific scenarios, worrying less about money could indicate the impending arrival of abundance. According to Dolores Cannon, our souls hold comprehensive knowledge about our surroundings and upcoming events, even if we are not consciously aware of them. Our souls can respond to the energies and elements that are approaching even before we consciously recognize them. Experiencing less anxiety about money often signals that positive financial changes are near. In such cases, the soul senses that it no longer needs to be overly concerned about financial matters because the universe has them in hand, and we can access what we need through internal growth. Once we align with the energies of abundance and prosperity, our entire being can feel this energy flow. Consequently, our mind begins to view financial issues as already resolved or taken care of, easing our concerns and enhancing our focus on abundance. Sign 4. Repeatedly visualizing the number 7. For those familiar with numerology, the frequent sighting of the number 7 can be intriguing. Let's explore further why this number might signal a shift towards a new economic situation. Dolores Cannon has discussed the significance of the number 7, which she links to spiritual completeness. This state embodies total balance, purity, and a harmonious flow with all surrounding energies that converge in one's life. So, how does this relate to our financial circumstances? The connection is straightforward. When we are in sync with the universe's energies and align with them, we receive their benefits, which include the manifestation of our desires. Achieving spiritual completeness can lead us to excel in areas of our lives that we aim to enhance. This spiritual fulfillment means that without much effort, our lives can transform into a state of completeness. Spiritual fulfillment elevates our existence to a life that is fully realized, which is reflected in our daily reality and what we manifest. Everything we embody internally is projected outward, including this sense of completeness. Each aspect of our life, including our financial situation, aligns with this new state of being. Money, an essential part of our earthly experiences and intrinsic to the lifestyle and new experiences we seek, is no exception. Therefore, if you find yourself frequently visualizing the number 7, consider it a positive message indicating your ongoing personal evolution, which will ultimately lead to remarkable transformations in your reality. Among these transformations will be a new level of financial fluidity, the arrival of abundance, and the complete removal of debts and scarcity. This change will also eliminate the associated stress and anxiety. The energies around your life are aligning to bring about the economic reality you desire, all signaled by the continuous visualization of the number 7. Sign 5, cultivating gratitude and sharpening intuition. It's often observed that when individuals focus solely on their end goals, they may overlook the progress they are making. However, when gratitude is cultivated and intuition is honed, each small victory along the way is appreciated. These victories act as important milestones toward larger objectives. Recognizing and celebrating these achievements shifts our focus from impatience and fear to appreciation and confidence. This acknowledgement ensures that we see every small step forward as bringing us closer to our ultimate goals. This change in mindset not only improves our morale, but also strengthens our belief in our capacity to realize our dreams. Valuing these small victories builds a sense of achievement and momentum, encouraging us to continue our efforts with optimism and determination. Instead of fearing failure, we embrace the journey, understanding that each success, however minor, contributes to our overall advancement. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about attracting abundance and manifesting your desires, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Join our community at Think Manifesting for more insights and inspiration on your journey to financial prosperity and personal growth. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Your support means the world to us.